What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the Eliminator extended action weed and grass killer. We are going to try this out. I believe I might try it right here. This is the front yard. I'm ready to redo the front yard, so we're going to switch it up a little bit. I might even spray this on the side of the yard. So it says it kills and prevents, and it says right here, kills the root so weeds won't grow back. Blah, 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 blah. All companies say the same thing, and guess what happens? The weeds come back. So let's see. It might work. It might work. We are going to give it a chance. Make sure you wear your proper PPE. So I have some gloves here. I have my goggles, long sleeves, wearing long sleeves, long pants. And, you know, for the regular homeowners, you know, some people just wear their pajamas when they do this stuff. So anyways, yeah, so we could get into the back action. You have to peel here, open here. All right, so if y'all want to know where I got this from Walmart. I believe this is a Walmart brand. I haven't seen this brand in any other store. All right, so right here it says when to apply, where to apply. Okay, for outdoor use only. We know that. I will show y'all all of this. It says do not make more than 3 spot applications greater than 1,000 square foot per year. The minimum, blah, blah. I will show y'all all of that. How to apply, when to apply. Apply when weeds are actively growing for best results. Apply during warm, sunny weather above 60 degrees Fahrenheit. So, it's above 60 degrees. And it's warm outside, so we are good to go right there. And that's about it, you guys. Now I do have, it does come with the sprayer right here, so you take that off, unravel it with your little braid tie right here. That's what I call it. Stretch this out and unpeel the tape right here. All right, pop that open and pop that in. Then we get to the spraying. Now when you spray, you have your on and off sprayers right here. So X means close, and then you got your sprayer, and then you have another X, and then you have a straight spray. All right, so I will show y'all that in a little bit. Remember, y'all, PPE, you guys. So I will spray all this. All right, so it takes a while to pump. So here goes the straight spray, you guys. All right, and if I turn it again, I have the Y spray. All right, you guys, I don't have my mic on, but if y'all haven't seen my review of this Craftsman sprayer, this is probably one of the best tools that I have on this channel, you guys. So basically, this is a battery powered sprayer. I mainly use this for bug control and weed and grass killer. So I'm gonna see if this top could spin on here because I'm getting old with my arthritis, you guys. So if you are elderly or older, or you just have a problem with keep spraying with your hands and your hands hurt a lot, that sprayer there will kill you. You see this? Nice and easy. And then when you turn this, I know this ain't a review on this, but you know, if you haven't seen this review, then it will benefit you on this type of thing. So I basically lefty loosey, and then it goes out more once you tighten it. Once you tighten it, it's more of a wider spread, or spray, not spread. Hey. All right, you guys, so we have used a good amount of the Eliminator right here. I am going to put y'all on a time lapse. We will see how much damage it does in an hour, and then we'll finalize the review. Okay, you guys, so it has been over 3 hours and I'm pretty much looking at the grass, okay, because I sprayed the weed with tenacity. All right, so if you see a lot of brown right here, it's tenacity. Tenacity took care of the weed. All right, so if you have not seen the tenacity video, please, I will try to put that in the description. But as for this Eliminator, I'm looking at the grass. All right, and everything still looks, I mean, it looked like it turned brown, but you know, it's working slowly, and it turned a little brown. All right, you guys, so it's been 24 hours and the grass looked like it turned brown, but is not living up to my expectations. As y'all know that I reviewed plenty of weed killers on this channel, weed and grass killers, and this by far probably is one of the slowest performances from the Eliminator. I will put up a playlist of all the weed killers and, you know, the fun reviews that we did, especially when it came to the versus battles, when it came to me putting different companies versus another company's product. I might do a couple this year. I was mainly focusing on the grass. So we did the 3-hour test. This is the 24-hour test, and tomorrow will be the 2-day, well, 2nd day test, just to see what it looks like on day 2. Let's see what this side did. All right, so as for this side, okay, you guys, so the weeds, it looked like it turned brown some areas, but I don't think that Eliminator is working properly, you guys. I sprayed a lot over this side, especially over this side. So yeah, I'm gonna give it until Wednesday and Thursday. That's when I'm going to do some heavy lawn work around Thursday. So I will give y'all maybe tomorrow, or I might just give y'all a 4-day update when Thursday comes. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so we are about 3 days later, and I have to say the Eliminator is a slow working product, but it works. You can actually see the brownness that's coming out on these grass leaves, and yeah, so it took a couple of days for it to actually turn brown. Once again, we focusing on the grass. It's definitely brown. So yeah, and that's like 3 days after spray. So don't expect like 15 minutes, 3 hours, even 24-hour results. Expect maybe like a week result of the Eliminator. But that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.